Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is my last lily update of the year. Lily flowering has finished for me, and I want to show you this is a thrips damage on the seed pods of lilies, and it's because I was away in the United States for a Lily Symposium, the North American Lily Society's Lily Symposium, because I was an invited speaker there. So plants are really not in the best shape. There have been a lot of weed growing in the last 2 weeks since I was at home, and so, but I still have a couple of good seed pods and OT hybrids, beautiful. And I just want to show you that still late Aurelians are flowering. Oh, this is nice light yellow, and these dark browns. And some lilies died, but these Aurelians are still looking nice, I believe. Nice black heart. And the Henryi also still looking good. So a lot of weeds have been growing, and most of my lilies finished, and because I wasn't here, I asked my parents to water my plants, and they did the best that they could. And this beauty is Laverne Freeman, and the trade name is Miss Feya. And this one is Red Morning. And look at this, still blooming very nicely, Black Beauty. And this one is also a tetraploid OT. It's called Debbie. And also Debbie, it fades a little bit, but we had like 40 to 42 degrees Celsius, so it was very, very, very hot. And last of my OTs are also flowering. This one had a little bit of too much water. This is Lilium speciosum varietas rubrum uchida, and I just turned on the watering system, so try to keep most of them alive. And this is Corvara, and it fades a little bit before the flower is gone. And this one is Casablanca. It's a diploid oriental, and I like it very much. And it also collects a lot of aphids. Maybe you can see it. There were all aphids on the underside of the leaf. So yeah, things are not looking great, but moisture and 42 degrees Celsius, and with a lot of sunshine, plants get burned. And I also want to call your attention how bad the weather is in Hungary, how hot and warm it is, that a couple of OT hybrids got sunburned. Like this one, it got sunburned. It's Bellamonte, and this one is El Capitan. Got sunburned, front page died. And oh, this one is Zelmira, also sunburned in the last few weeks. Shine On also got sunburned. And this one is really bad, Pretty Woman. So you can see that all these leaves got sunburned. And also Honeymoon got a little sunburned. So yeah, pretty bad. Belcastro also got sunburned, and this is absolutely normal in Hungary. If you plant Otis and Orientals in the sun, they get sunburned all the time, unfortunately. So, not great news, but you know, it's life. So these are the takeaways. If you plant these cultivars in Hungary or in the south of the United States, they will get sunburned, and you should maybe plant them in half shade. So that's all for today and the lily update for this year. Thank you for following my journey, and I will get back to you if I dug the bulbs or collect the seeds, because there will be no more lily flowering this year for me. So thank you so much. Have a good day. Goodbye.